Naochan, where are we going? Okay. Welcome to paradise, Naochan. It's perfect clear. Günaydın. Naochan, what you doing here?
Traveling Ulan by bicycle. Look at this skeleton. Çok mutluyum.
Hello, Naochan. How are you? What you think about your aunt?
I love Ulan so much, and I really love this season, end of
Yes.
the summer season, because there's tourism and very peaceful.
Yes. Now September finish.
Weather is also perfect,
Yes.
not too windy.
Yes, great. We choose perfect time. Okay, say one more time.
Shakembusan-ya!
Hi.
But you're behind 3%.
Really? Okay. Look at corn.
Perfect.
Yes. Naochan, who is him? You find a friend? Ah, Sadunboro. He is a great captain.
Picnic ギリシャと比べたらかなり安いんですけど、
Picnic mode?